Do, 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 do. Member side scale. Is that? Damn it! A second ago, I knew what I would have to do after this, and now I don't. Memory. Ah, right, I remember. Thank God. There is a problem with this because I have null pointers. Or possible null pointers. The next question is then when to return initialized. What is being done with that? like literally not used. It's passed to the event to the event trigger, to the algorithm event type. That's about it. Ridiculous. Well, literally I have no clue. I think this is the problem. The cubic is being assigned here as a result of having a new sample on some side. If I do this, then I have to return. But why would that be correct? How can I see if the cubic was already initialized or not before? I think that the return should be done if this is the first time I have entered this function since the last reset or something. Now theoretically I would use this, but it is already set, right? So instead I should use first call. I don't have that here. Maybe that needs to be passed then. Can I not use this? Yeah, of course I can use this. It's like literally says it here. If this is set, then we were here before, I would say. If this is not set, then path must be invalid. Which also means I think that the cubic is not set yet. I have no idea. Let me just try this. inside scale. Yeah, I want to print this. How's that? Yeah, I guess this is no longer the vertex now. It is now the minimum of the third degree polynomial, which is slightly different than this value. Namely, exactly 2.5. Because it's not exactly 2.5. I don't have the full thing. Where's this the value? I guess this is the value, right? Yeah. Just going to use this. That's annoying. Left scale is set to almost 0. Why? That is ridiculous. The right scale was set to 10.5. That seems correct. Where may that happen? It's not the second time we entered this twist. Yeah, the right scale is set to 10.5. Right. Yeah, I'm too sleepy. I think I'm gonna stop. Just right. Yeah, I can just take the one, right? Nou ja, if you go here, then the mate is unstoppable, except by queen f8. So you just give check. Goes in the corner, then we go. No, if he goes in the corner, it's mate. Wait a minute. Yeah, check seems the best then. But if he goes there, check, and then he goes there, check, and then the queen comes in between. Oh, it doesn't help me. Maybe in between move. Check, queen here, attack the queen. I'm threatening check and mate. The queen must stay on this diagonal. So he goes there, then I give check, and he goes there, and then I give check, and the queen goes in between, and I exchange the queen, and I take the bishop. Is that enough? It's just one bishop, and we are down three pawns, so it's probably not enough, is it? Yeah, I think it starts with the check, right? It must start with a check. Come on, what else? Pretty good check. Okay. Yeah. I don't see anything better. I think this must be the next move. And he just takes it. Why? Okay, now I must be missing something. Got it right, but. So this is incorrect. Oh yeah, then of course I just take the bishop, and now the queen has to leave this diagonal. So if you take it, and then it's mate. I had missed that one. Going here is not good. You can take it for free, and then win the queen as well anyway. So might as well take the rook. I think it's a very good puzzle. Black is almost promoting. Just walk. That's a push. Of course he takes, and then we take back, and then maybe he starts walking. Do we have anything then? So push this pawn again. There are 3 pawns on a row here. This guy continues walking. Then we push this one. And then he continues walking again, and the next move is made. So it cannot allow me to. It cannot allow that I push this pawn here. No way. But if you put the king here, then yeah. I can just give check. Got to go back and then do this one. And then you can go there and I get a queen and I get a queen. So pretty unstoppable. I'm just gonna walk. If pawns are almost at the other side, you have to keep pushing them. And this is obviously taking. Yeah, now pushing this pawn. Okay, this is new. If I push it again, then what is he going to do? Go here? Stop me from promoting? Well, that would actually work. I take, he takes, and the king stops everything. And then this one promotes. Well, whoopsies, whoopsies. So it wasn't that easy. But the king cannot take 2 pawns, so I'm still in time to stop this one. And then maybe even that one as well. And then come back to help promote my pawns. So I do this, he gives away the bishop, and then I do that. Yeah, that must be good. Very good, very good, very good. View the solution. No, let's not do that. Find the best move for white. Okay, I'm white. Well, that looks completely made if the rook goes away from this line. So suppose I push and he takes it, just to name his sideline. Then I give check, the bishop in between. My bishop goes here and the next move is made. He can give a check. I just go there, nothing. So he can't take it. I'm threatening to do something. That is not unclear. It's not clear, I mean, it's unclear. What am I threatening to do then? Am I threatening anything? I don't even need this pawn here. It can be way more forcing by, for example, attacking the rook. And at promotion square, like this. Then he takes here, same thing. Check, tuck, tuck, and mate. And if he goes somewhere here, then I'm just pushing the pawn and threatening to promote. And if he takes the pawn with the knight, and I take the rook, threatening, give mate, stop this one for sure, promote with that one. I'm gonna go for the bishop, I think. And he goes all the way there. Well, wherever this guy went, I think I can next simply push my pawn. I mean, if I don't, then he might take it. And that is it. Yeah, that's boring. Yeah, okay. Well, there's not much I can do, I suppose. I would say I can just take this pawn, but I'm not sure. So take this pawn and he takes my bishop. Well, then I take a queen, I guess. And then he takes a queen, and then I take a rook. It should be good. If he takes with the bishop, I just get a free queen, or free. Pretty much. So if he takes with the rook, then I can take the bishop with my rook. And that's a lot of threat. Although I could just take it, but okay, I guess the queen. That can't be good. Pinned rook. Can take here. And he goes for that line, okay, so yeah, taking the bishop is out of the question. Just going away is out of the question, so I just have to take the queen. Nothing else that is reasonable. And then I said I was going to take the rook. But maybe I should take here. With the rook, with check. Just go in the corner and then my bishop here. Threatens to remove the rook with check. And this would even be mate. But it could take, oh, let's say rook takes knight. Rook here with check from the bishop. Then he has to give two rooks and it's over. Yeah, that's better, right? It's better. And I got it again. Amazing. And the best move for black. Well, we're almost there, but the king is still in the square, so not really almost. I could fork this bishop if the pawn wasn't there, but that doesn't help much. If I start walking right now, and he doesn't go into the square, he takes my knight, for example, and then I push my pawn, and he's too late. Cannot do that. Now he could go there with the bishop. Could. But yeah, then I can push again and he can take it, and then I fork the bishop like that. I think my king can stop both of these. Or can it? Well, let me think. I mean, I must promote them. This one cannot be in the square of these, because then I'm blocking this and they're blocking that, and it's a draw. So I push, bishop, push, take, check. I even have one pawn left. Check. Well, it goes there. Well, there. No, it's not possible. Goes there. That's outside of the square. I think it goes it goes there, and then I give check, and then he goes there. Well, I have a knight more. Yeah, no, of course I win with the knight more. So yeah, that's good. So I push this pawn, probably has to go that way to stop the pawn, and then I can push this pawn as well. And then you can just take here. Maybe you can take this one. Yes, of course I can. Suppose I do this and he comes in this square and I take this pawn. And I say, haha, that is for free. And he takes my knight. Yeah, then that is not possible. This must be the move. And he's doing it like that. Oh, I said I would push. Fork. Take it. It's almost easy. Hey Felix. Okay, we can break on that side. Maybe we should just exchange and then break on this side. So the king comes to help, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 moves to promote this one. But I can't say that I feel very sure about it. Not at all. That is nonsense. If I take here, I take the pawn there. It's more like I have to take this one then. 1. So let's even more moves. Or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 moves. Jesus. That's usually too much, I would say. Yeah, it's a gamble, but the rating is starting to get too high for me. So it's about time I fail. It feels like I can break with this side. I don't know. It's a very difficult one, of course. Intuitively, I would say exchanging bishops is the right thing to do, and it is. And now it gets a lot harder because, yeah, I should push this pawn, I think. If I let this guy push the pawn, then I will never get there. Never. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now this one starts walking. Now wait a minute. Once the king is there, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's one move less actually if he moves it. You could go through that side. But maybe I'm faster on this side. So the threat here, I think, is that he pushes this pawn. Then I cannot push this one anymore. So I can't push this one because then you get that. And then I can only give away pawns on this side. So yeah, I have to start with this pawn on this side. And the question is if I shouldn't first push this pawn. Yeah, it can hardly be good, right? That the king goes that way. Let me do this one. Ah, come on. What? I was just guessing and it's already finished. Yeah, maybe this pawn cannot be pushed, of course, because then he also plays this one. So we do this, yeah, see. And now I cannot break anymore. That's the reason. So you have to see that. So this is required, otherwise he plays this one. Now let's say that he is going to try and stop me with the king. So I want to exchange 2 pawns. If you push this pawn, I do this and then this, take. Oh, super free pawn. Now I have to wait till they do this, take. I just get a free pawn here like crazy. The king has to go that way. Now I have to push this pawn. Well, that's interesting. Just do nothing on that side. What? No, I don't have to. Everything wins. G6 is also winning. Personally, I would play one of these pawns. Is that also good? G6 or H5. Yeah, H5 seems, you know, following the plan. So I'm going to push this on and then I'm here, so the king must be in the square. So the king going that way is nonsense. You can try to exchange stuff, I guess. This might work. Yeah, then I have to take it and you take with the king. And now he kind of stopped me on this side, but now I can win on this side, I guess. So this king is going to round up the pawns on this side, and then I just win on that side. He's way too slow. Way too slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 moves. And I already made a start here with my 8 moves. Okay, we'll go like that. Way too late. See, way too late. And then we win like this. Getting closer. Getting closer. Yeah, just go here. Oh, wait a minute. No, yeah, doesn't matter. Pin it. Oh, wow. If I can't do this one. This is simple. This is just, what the fuck? What the best move for black? Gotta be kidding me, man. Okay, and still it's not simple. I would say I keep the position, so just push this pawn. So the king stays on the third file here, or the sixth row. What is it? And then I need 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm there. I mean, it's not going to. It's impossible. Impossible. Okay, so I push this, he goes there. I go there, he goes there, I go there. It's just, I mean, why? Heh. The only problem is that I feel like this move is also winning. There can be only one solution, so why are the two moves winning? You do this and he goes there. And then I do this. There, this, there. I take. Okay, that's the rule. Yeah, to push this first. Yeah, too easy. Now what? You can win a bishop. So I don't know why the bishop takes your check. I was thinking about this queen here, taking that and that square. Let's see, we are rook down, so it must go mate. Queen here threatens mate in 1 and in 1. If he pushes the pawn, then this is no longer mate because it just takes my queen. And if we go there, then the king must go there. Then I give check and I win the queen. Though the pawn cannot be moved. But if the pawn cannot be moved, then everything else is also made. So he has to take here or check, I take back, defend one square. Just come on. It's like the puzzles become simpler. What am I missing? You can just go here and then there's absolutely nothing you can do. Nothing. Wins a queen, at the very least. He moves it 2 steps. Okay. Happy for you, but I'll win a queen. Is that enough or? No, this is definitely the move. Now we can choose between the rook or the queen, and if I do the rook, then I lose my queen as well. Maybe I should do something else, therefore. Yeah, it's the queen, huh? Queen check, win the queen. Yeah, I don't see anything else. Nah, come on. It's like the puzzles get simpler at the higher ratings. This puzzle is only 2372. Maybe they don't have puzzles of this difficulty. Well, I could threaten mate with pushing this pawn, and then I could give check and go there, and then he goes somewhere else and I give mate. Or actually he goes there, so that it isn't mate. So my king walks like this, I think. So I give check, I go there, check again, I go there. It doesn't have to put the rook here though, you can also just move the king. Yeah, but then I take this pawn. You can't take my pawn. I'm going to take this pawn anyway then. Yeah. So I push this pawn, and my threat is that I take the pawn. And the only thing you can do about it is by pushing the pawn themselves with check, so I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. Oh, that's something else. Okay, so we go here, c7, attack the rook, then the rook goes here, because that's the only way to not be mated. But then I just exchange the rook and win this pawn anyway. Is that a one endgame? Okay, so I do this and I give check. And then I go down and the rook goes here. Check there. Take, take. I go up. And I need, I don't do, yeah, well, I probably, I don't know. I mean, it's just a free path, so he can't take my pawn. I'm already at the other side. Therefore, he comes to stop me, but that doesn't work either. Because then I walk to the other side, and then I suddenly run to this side. Totally wins. Okay, let's go for it. That's good. And he goes, oh no, I had not looked at this yet. Oops, yeah. Okay. Kind of the same situation though. I can just put my rook behind it now. And then we have the same kind of situation. Threat to take the pawn. And he can't even give check. He can't take my pawn because he loses the rook. And if he gives first check, and I take the rook. So I still can't take my pawn. Finally we have a wrong answer. Are you not telling me that I should do this? Nope. This? Yes. Just one move. One more move would have been enough. Now I would definitely like to see why my move is wrong. He does give check. That was anticipated. And then I was going to attack the rook. Oh. Okay, yeah, that loses the pawn, yeah. Okay, totally rightful 16 points lost. And my other attempt was attack the rook, which is wrong because a double attack on my pawn and I can't push it because then I still lose it. No, okay. In that case, I'm gonna quit. I'm throwing this virtual board through the room because I missed one after a streak of a lot of that I did have though. Bloop. No. I don't know what to do then. Too tired to code? No, I don't want. I'm gonna watch movies, of course. Yeah, let's just stop streaming. Going to watch a movie. Good night.